Hello and welcome. Our previous video touched on the creation of pivot tables, and now we are going to attach a chart to this table. So bear in mind that pivot table will usually go with pivot chart. I will encourage you not to use the regular charts over here unless it's really necessary, because for pivot charts it is going to integrate better with this pivot table. Okay, when I click on pivot table, I can see that it is essentially the same bunch of chart options as we saw for the regular charts, except that this now has a special binding to the pivot table. Okay, right? And you should be able to see that if we were to do some analysis over here, we want to click this and bring it over here. A change of the table will mean a change of the chart as well. Okay, so they are bound together. See over here, I'm doing January and February, right? So again, all the manipulation of this visual element, it is the same as what we saw. Okay. To include this further, to include more items in, feel free to go into the bottom left corner of this chart. You can click over here, nothing happens, right? You can also filter by month. Say I want to see only the month of January. Not February, but January only. Yep, now you can compare January, product 3, product 4. And of course, if you want to include more products, you can click them all in. Right, so we shall stop over here. As you can see, pivot charts, quite easy to use. So if you have understood how the regular charts work, probably this will pose a little challenge to you, right? So thank you, and I'll see you.